Hi, welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show a short video about this absolutely stunning Suzuki GSX R1000. Here we have a Suzuki GSX R1000. This is a 2020 bike on a 20 plate with just 3,663 miles, 2 owners from new and a full service history. This bike is in immaculate condition and comes in the MotoGP replica colour scheme, which always looks absolutely stunning on this model. The bike does come with a rear seat and we have that available, although it has the cowl fitted. All the bodywork there in pristine condition. We also have the rear pegs and the standard exhaust. Ultimate charging lead there as well. All the bodywork looking absolutely brilliant. There's some stomp grip there to help with any hard braking that you may decide to do on the bike. Handlebars, bar end and the mirrors and lever all in excellent condition there. No sign of any drop damage anywhere. In fact, this bike has absolutely nothing to apologise for whatsoever. It's absolutely stunning. No damage to the R&G crash bang and the fairing is unmarked. R&G engine protection there as well. There's an SC Project exhaust, so the bike does sound as good as it looks. Carbon fibre effect rear hugger and an Evotech exhaust hanger there. The rear tyre in great condition with plenty of tread left. The rear wheel, complete with the pinstripes to match the fluoro decal on the bodywork there, in excellent condition. No dings, dents, scuff scrapes or scratches, and the swinging arm also in excellent condition. As you can see, no stone chips or damage on the fairing. Leading edge of the fairing all good as well. The front of the bike, the forks all in great condition, and the front mudguard is unmarked. And the front wheel also in fantastic condition. The front tyre, plenty of tread left there as well. And as I said, no stone chips, no cracks, no damage to the mudguard. No stone chips, cracks or damage on the front of the fairing either. It really is in pristine condition. The left-hand side of the bike, just like the right-hand side, in superb order. With your mirror, bar end and lever all absolutely unmarked. And all the bodywork is the same. It is pristine, as you can see. R&G engine protection and fairing protection on this left hand side as well. The bike does have the quick shifter fitted, this being the standard GSXR, not the R. The quick shifter is an optional extra and this one does have it. With your ABS, traction control, various rider modes. All the bodywork there, as we said, all in pristine condition. The petrol tank likewise is unmarked and the rear of the bike also is in lovely condition. No sign of any damage to the foot pegs. The chain sprockets, well, they look like they've been very, very well cared for indeed and have plenty of life left. And the rear wheel also in fantastic condition. The rear shock absorber, no corrosion there and no leaks or anything like that. The top of the bike, no scratches, no damage, all in beautiful condition there. No rips or tears in the seat. There's a tank pad on the back of the tank just to keep that nice and tidy. The tank itself, as I said, unmarked. LCD dashboard, all good, and there's all your controls for various modes and electronic wizardry. So if you are looking for a great value sports machine, look no further than this stunning Suzuki GSX R1000. Here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with the current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this superb Suzuki, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.